Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. And look at what we finally have. It is the box from Fashionsta. This one, I know it's been a while since we received this box, and this box got affected by the COVID-19. So this one here, as soon as this whole stay at home order happened, I got an email from them letting me know when was the last charge. I don't remember if March or April was the last time that they charged me for this box, but they never got to ship it out because this one here is I think the warehouse where they package and do everything, I think it's actually here in Hollywood. I'm in California, I'm in Los Angeles. So I think this is actually here out of Hollywood. And they were, as soon as this happened, they shut everything down. They, got their people out of their warehouses. So they weren't able to send me the box. They did send me an email though that as soon as they can get back into the warehouse, the first thing that we're going to do is everybody that had already paid for their box, they were going to send them a box for whatever current month, they get to ship for. And now we are in June. So instead of being an April or March box, I paid for it then, but now it's the box for either June, not for, it is for June. So we finally got it. And for those of you that don't remember this box because it's been such a long time, it is $19 a month. And the value, I believe, is said to be worth somewhere between $80 and $120. I think it's something like that. I already forgot myself. But we do get full-size items. So let me just go ahead and go in. They give us a little card like they would before. And I can already see the total value price of the box. So I'm just going to start taking them out and showing you guys what we got. So we have this 2-step Jet Super Hydrating Mask Kit. So step 1 is like a towel to cleanse your skin, and then step 2 is your actual mask. So in the back they give you your instructions. So this is the steps for step 1, and then this is what you do for step 2. But you grab this and you have everything that you need to do. So that is item number 1. Then I'm gonna grab this one. It says bye bye germs. Oh, they gave us hand sanitizer. This is really hard to come by. And that's how you know that this was packaged during a pandemic, because when were people happy to get hand sanitizer in their box? When it becomes so hard to come by, yeah, you're excited to get hand sanitizer in your box, especially because even after everything, the prices on hand sanitizer has obviously gone up. It shouldn't, because it is, needed in the pandemic. But a lot of companies, yeah, their prices went up. Let me see if this one smells like anything. But this one, oh, I just took a big whiff of alcohol. It doesn't have any other scent. Oh, yeah, no, that I shouldn't have done that. It just felt like I took a shot of like vodka, but it just like a scent. Oh, it smells like alcohol. Don't even smell it. It doesn't smell like anything good. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one here from Emily Alexandra Cosmetics. I Love Me. It's black packaging with like pink metallic drops and writing. This is water resistant matte lipstick plus sunscreen. Okay, let's see what color they gave us. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is just like a rose gold metallic packaging, and it has a little mermaid on here. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's let me see. I don't know if the shade is Love Me, but it, ooh. Oh, that's interesting. So look at that shape. And then on here you have like the little scales like the mermaid has. almost like the fish scales. That is really pretty. Well, it's kind of hard to swatch because of the shape of the bullet, but that's the color. That's a really pretty color. And it says it has sunscreen, so that's always a plus. That's our third item. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. It's already open, but this is from Shivani Beauty, Marvel Elixir Maracuja Infused Primer Oil. Ooh, that's pretty. So that is the bottle there. I've only heard of this oil because of Tarte. Tarte, they had a whole Maracuja, I think that's how you pronounce it. They had a whole Maracuja line. So here we have a primer oil. It just feels, it feels like you are rubbing oil on your skin. It does feel hydrating, but I wonder if, you know, with somebody for oily skin, if it'll help not to get so oily throughout the day. That is something that I'm gonna have to kind of test out and see what happens with that. Then here we have something from Herbal Dynamics Beauty, Clean and Calm Cucumber and Blue Lotus Micellar Water. I am really happy I didn't buy the micellar water myself. Not too long ago, we got a Tarte micellar water in one of the BoxyCharm boxes. I don't remember which one it was. But we got the Tarte micellar water, and I mentioned then that I was like this close to buying one on Sephora. Ooh, this one's like cloudy. I wonder what it has for it to look like that. But I was super duper close to buying that water from Tarte from Sephora. But now I'm like extra excited that I didn't, because now I would have been stuck with 3 different ones. But 2, doable, because, you know, I'll use them every day. But 3, that's going to be a little bit too much. Okay, so we are down to our last item. And this is from Glam Light. And it says Alondra Desi. I don't know if that's a collab or if that's her brand. There's a picture of her back there. I honestly don't know who she is.
What's her name? She's a YouTuber.
Oh, see, Cindy knows. According to my sister, she's a YouTuber as well. But then, is this her brand? Or is she...
That's her name. I think so.
But is this a collab? Or is this a collab? Okay, she doesn't know. But, ooh. It's soft. That's nice. So we have a velvety kind of feel here. It feels really, like, it just makes me want to touch it. It just makes me want to do this. But let's see what kind of eyeshadows we have. So it says it has 15 luxurious eyeshadows. Oh, those are pretty. Those are really pretty eyeshadows. And they're like a pretty big size pan. So those are the shadows there, and you get some mattes and you get some like metallics. So let me swatch a few really quick. I never learned my lesson. I always end up wearing long sleeves when I'm filming videos, and then it comes time to like swatch things, and I'm like trying to like pull my shirt or my sleeve. So I'm gonna go for a metallic one first. Okay, pretty, not super pigmented, but pretty. I'm gonna go for a matte, super pigmented on my finger. Not too much on the swatch, still a pretty color. I'm gonna go for this one here. This one looks really pretty. This is Glam. This one, I wonder what kind, what? It almost feels like, it almost feels like a cream, but I know it's not a cream, but wow, that's pretty. Then I'm gonna go, this one is like the same texture as the gold one. Ooh, that's pretty. One more. I'm gonna go for this one. Ooh, that's pretty. So these are really, really pretty colors. these two are the ones that almost feel like they're creams, but oops, I just scratched it. But they're not. This one is the first one. It wasn't too pigmented, but still a pretty color. This is the matte that I swatched. I really, really like the colors that are in here. They're like nice berry colors that you can totally use for the summer. So this one here was the last item from the box. So now really quick, let me not add them up because they already added them up for me, but let me give you MSRP prices for the items so you can get an idea of what kind of things or what kind of prices they include in here. First off is this Shivani Beauty, the Marble Elixir. MSRP for this one is $54. The Glam Light Cosmetics Alondra Desi eyeshadow palette, MSRP is $38. Then we have the, where to go? We have the Herbal Dynamics Cucumber Plus Blue Lotus Micellar Water. MSRP for this one is $16. Then we have the Emily Alexandra lipstick. This one is $18. Then we have the Double Dare OMG Hand Gel Sanitizer. This one is $5.50. And the Double Dare Soothing Mask Kit, this one is $9. So this one gives you a total box value of $140. If you ask me, they came back strong from being away from all of this for, what was it, like 2-3 months of being away from the factory, not being able to get the boxes out. But I think they gave us better items, I want to say, than what they've given us before. But I don't know, that's just what I think. So those were all the items from the box. So that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another video, another unboxing, I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll be back. And I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.